Sige na. Ay, nag-iigtan na. 25. Baby. Magkano naman ko? Eat.
I press it so that it will stop.
Where are we going this time?
I forgot.
In your school.
Yes,
You're
my
gonna get your uniform.
school. And
Yeah.
then after school.
Show me your ribbon. So Ate Sai can see it. Wow, it's so pretty. Thanks Ate Sai.
That's the safe side.
We are going to
What color was the walls of your school?
The color?
Yeah.
I think it's white.
The floor.
The floor is a little bit brown.
The
Maroon
floor?
like this. Red and brown.
We studied in Lahar. Of the building. Which floor?
That's either
Hi, Mommy.
So yung may-ari nun, at saka ito, isa po. Schedule for the whole year na po yun. Basta pwede siyang mag-down payment kayo mo, ha? Diyan ang down payment niya.
Lang kung
Sige po, Shirley. Wait, excited na.
Nasa loob
Excited?
yata ang size.
Ito po, size 30.
30 o tama.
yung dati niya po kasi napagliitan.
Tumakad siya eh.
Hap.
Thank you very much po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mama, she was stronger.
Ha?
She was stronger.
Me.
No, me. Let's see. Yeah.
Go, go, go. Where's the next? Where is the next?
I don't know.
We're going
Where?
Hamdan.
What is Ham-
We will walk. We'll get papawis. Eh? Yeah,
Walk here up to Jollibee.
what do you want?
Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donut?
You
You
know,
have your money?
there's Dunkin' Donuts. There's a drink.
Drink?
Yeah.
We will get only donut, the free.
Yay.
Only free, okay?
Stop for
We're going in day to day.
So when we're lost, we can just stop somewhere and then wait for our parents like they're gonna walk here. But if you don't think so, just follow the some
Al Jazeera.
I remember we passed by here sometimes.
Yeah, we go
Konting lakad lang, sobrang init at pawis. Dahil dyan, may dala-dala kami. Saan tayo ng day to day?
Cosmetic station operator, please. Cosmetic
Ito ka rin kasi makabit ta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ito ka rin yung sale kayo. Where is the Jergens? Wala yata eh. Ang dami nilang tandaan. We're here in day to day.
Can I hold it, please?
Check lang tayo ng mga ano kasi.
Can I hold it, mommy?
This one? Oh. Oh, sige na, mabuka ka. It's okay, you can use it. Hanap tayo ng tsinelas na pang banyo. Pwede ng plain. Ayun eh. Tamang tsali malima. Tsali malima, oh. Ala ba itong bala mo? Goma mo, kalupa kaya katamo. Which color you want? Oh, really, goma.
What? Are they small for me?
No, it's for the, anak, bathroom. Masyado naman girl, lalo.
Sige, oy.
Okay mo? Okay ka? Okay yun yung blue, medyo kaya. Manto kang maragol size pa. Hindi kaya kabot.
Wala, makanya lang.
Dagol.
Makanya lang ano.
One size siya mo?
36, 38 lang.
Ini pangbahay po, pangbahay-bahay. Tsam gano? Chapulo, pwede na. Gusto nyo ng heels? O yan, marami. Marami dyan, mga mahilig sa heels. Ito, mahilig sa... Which one you like? Pink. Yung batang ayon, nakahanap daw siya. You like it? Oh, take it na. Take it and leave it to the counter. Oh, mga pasyonista, ito ang palda. Oh, yan ang Jergens. Ayan ang Jergens. Anting mas.
Kaya ba, baby?
Mahiling. Ay, yan. Ay, nag-iisa na. 25. O yan, dalawa. Mura na. Oh, let's go. Ito lang ang ating target. Two down. Target number 2 done. What is the next target? Donut. But should be free donut. Thank you day to day. Murang lotion.
Dad, that's the blue fan and we have a purple fan.
Yeah. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa Hamdan Street.
Not sure. Ha?
At babaong nilagang kamuti. Atot yata ito.
Ha?
Babaong nilagang kamuti. Pawas ko na. So ngayon, pupunta tayo dun sa Dunkin Donut. Gamitin natin yung points para may donut si Iliana. Free donuts. Sana ma-approve yan. Pag hindi, bibili tayo.
Mali ka kaya na.
Kasi iiyak ang bata. What will you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
No, let's go.
Which way?
Wow. She has donut. 3 down. Target number 3. Done. Who's happy? There's a happy baby there.
Me.
Yan ang kagandahan ng marami kang points. O, kahit bumibili kang pa konti-konti, nakakaipon ka ng points. Ang next stop natin ay sa Almaria. May titingnan lang tayo doon. Kung nakasale. Doon tayo pupunta sa Almaria Mall.
Bingo. Can you go and grab for later? Please, Daddy, try to do bingo. Yay! This is like my roller game.
Ganito po?
Look, Daddy.
Ah, okay. Iniipit to, no?
Yes.
Dad.
Magkano naman po ba? Ay,
Bigyan kita discount.
magkano last price din?
Bigay ko 60.
Isang klase lang dito.
Isang klase lang po meron.
Actually, nagtatanoon eh. Tiyatan.
May ano po siya.
May iipit mo lang yan. Tapos,
Parang connect lang din.
wireless, no?
Oh. Kung saan na siya. Meron din iPhone.
Ano mo yan sa phone? Oh. Okay.
Connect po. Gantong
So, pag
style.
ginagamit mo pala, hindi ka pwede mag-charge.
Ganto. Tapos
Oo.
naka ano yung ito. Mic.
Ito, saan? Ito.
Ito siya ma'am, kung USB siya or ano, pwede mo siyang palitan.
Can I see that?
USB or?
Wait.
USB. Ito nga, asan
Yan
yung
lang
bago?
kinuha ng kuteyo.
Dada, Hello Kitty.
Sorry na po.
Hello Kitty. Dada, there's Hello Kitty.
Hello, Kitty!
Mama, and her face is
Buwasan mo pati.
Buwasan pa natin.
Ano mo, discount.
35.
Beginner pa lang kami, beginner. Ilalagay ko yan kay baby.
Ito yung receiver. Ito siya.
Ito.
Oo.
Saan ito ilasaksak? Dito rin.
Sa phone.
Sa phone. Parang isa
Data
lang.
ng bayo. Ya, pakinig kayo niyo. Data ng iPhone.
Ay,
Mga ato sa
hindi na pwede yung iPhone ko. Luma na yung akin. Ini. Ito. Ayan, ipasok
Tapos
nila.
ito.
adapter.
Kung mag-charge po
Adapter
kayo,
ito.
dito.
Ito yata, ito.
Oo, dyan po. Yan, ano siya. Pwede na.
Adapter na yun eh. Ay, adapter lang to na ito eh.
Vlog po.
Oo naman. May YouTube kami at saka... Ano te, discountan mo pa kami. Bago pa lang kami.
Sige daw po.
50? Mayan siya. Sige te, yan na lang. Bago no? I-stock mo lang yan. O.
Bago lang ito, ma'am. Nag-ano lang po
Bigyan mo
kanina.
na kami nung ano, yung hindi bukas. Aray. No, baby loves to talk kasi kaya yung mga ano te, yung anti-shaking na sinasabi, meron din kayo?
Anti-shaking na.
Yung pag lumalakad yan, hindi siya galaw ng galaw. Meron
Ah,
sa
yung
online,
parang
kaso-
tawag doon, 360 style na ano.
Yata yun, no?
Oo.
Oo, yung basta yung hindi siya magalaw pag ginagamit.
Sa mall dapat yun.
Sa mall.
Kasi hindi naman pero kung magandang quality sa mall.
Ah, okay. Target number 4 down. 4 down. Oh, What's the last stop? Wala naman natang masanti.
Hindi pa ako ano. It's difficult, ano.
It's difficult to get it.
It will not go, ano.
Got ipit.
It will not
Tsaka mapamurayt na rin mga nini. Mapang-kimol na.
Don't check in the mall, okay?
Walang tiwala.
Smart.
Ay, gisa na kayan.
Yeah.
Pag makapahay niyan, gisa na kayan.
Yeah.
I do like Smurf.
Okay.
Oh, next time we will get, ne?
Let's go.
Eh? 29. May tayo ng bigas. Basmati. Basmati. Ay, ito. Ayan.
Press 1. This is number 1. Here, medium, number 2. Then 3 is the last step. Okay, that's number 4. Close. Okay.
Luga pawis.
Press na. Make it 2 or 3. Number
Hot bite. Nakakuha din naman. We're going home na. We finished na.
Can I talk to them? I have a joke.
Oh, what's your joke?
Window playing.
Window play.
Yeah. Bobby, red car.
Yes.
Favorite. Red car.
Where do you stay?
CTC door.
Where is the city season?
Right there, the red
There?
and white. Yeah.
There. There's the city season. So we will cross the road and then yun lang. Why?
It's stinky.
It's stinky. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Oh, look at your steps. The pawis.
Yeah. Can I have the fan?
Later na.
Daddy, can I have the fan?
Next na, next. Okay, thank
Can I
you.
have the fan?
Which floor, Anna?
9.
9. So you can go home alone na? Can you go home alone?
I don't have keys.
Yung natin yan, key movie.
I will give you key, Nana.
We'll give you a duplicate, okay?
No.
Oh, dali lang, go, go, go.
Wanna. I want Daddy to come with me.
Okay.
Can we have the wrist there?
Oh, let's go, let's go. We're here.
I win. I
You
win.
win.
Yay. Agree. Mom, can you get off my repeat?
Offer, offer. Hot bake offer. Ito ang laman ng 35 dirhams. May dalawang soup. May dalawang vegetable. May dalawang hummus. Ito yung sinasabi ni Tin last time. May dalawang garlic mayo. At syempre, meron silang, uy, mainit-init pa na bread. Daddy, na anong ahas mo kanini? Ha? Ini? Kubos. Kubos bread. Mainit-init pa. At ito yung grilled chicken. Tadaan! Ayan. Ang ating food. Ayan. Who loves the fries? Ayan na. Let's eat. Are we ready? You ready to eat? Ganito yung kubos bread. Usually, aray. Daddy and baby, they love the where kita kasi ni yan eh magpalamang katang like this, put some fries like that. Roll it, and dip. With garlic mayo.
Can I try some chicken, Daddy?
Yummy. Garlic mayo.
Hey, what kind of thing is that?
Garlic mayo. Right?
Hindi, it doesn't taste garlic, anak.
This is
Give me lettuce, daddy. Lettuce. Only one. Lettuce.
not both of them.
Yes. Daddy, I want to show you something. Mama!
Wow! Wow!
Mama, look at my inside my mouth. Look.
Wow! Like this? Almost?
Next second.
French fries.
Bigat mo anak. Bigat mo.
Let's try the soup. Members over tonight. It's like egg drop soup. Kaya mo yun, puro meron siyang carrots, egg, onion leaves, onion, and syempre pampalapot, cornstarch. Let's try it. Pwede na. Thumbs up. Yakin.